Hello, you are at Swift Print Communications and you are looking at the Oce Arizona 5500. This machine was used to print a promotion that we created recently for some prospects and customers. It was a Halloween bag, and this morning we're going to take you through the production process. So this is the print head, and it is going back and forth across the substrate, and it is laying down the image in bands. The light that you see at the front and the back of the head are actually UV lamps, so that once the ink is laid down and the light from the UV lamp is exposed to the ink, it dries instantly, which allows for us to have a faster delivery date. So we printed these bags 3 up. The design was created internally. Each bag was designed individually for personalization purposes. And I'm going to stick my hand on the bag here just to show how dry the ink is already. Rubbed it and no ink came off. So we print these bags 3 up off this machine, and the production time is close to 3 or 4 minutes. So this is the first bag coming off. And you can get a better idea of the UV lamp underneath the print head, and the second bag is now starting production. So while these bags finish, we will go over to the Colex cutter and watch the bags be finished. This is the Colex digital die cutter. It runs on an XY axis. That's the cutting head that you see there. It is optically guided. The sound that you hear is the vacuum holding the material in place. And the cutting head is finding its quadrants to make accurate cuts and scores. So the first tool that comes down is actually a scoring wheel. We're going to go take a look at that. So that brass wheel is actually scoring where the bag is going to be folded so that we can create a quality bag. All the information for the scoring wheel has been programmed into a computer so that the machine knows exactly where to score, how deep to score. So we're going to go through one bag here, and you can see the other 2 bags lined up on the bed as well, going back to how we printed them. So now it's scoring the second bag, and we will go to the cut. Now the Colex has completed its scoring, so now it is going to start cutting the bag. So the machine goes and finds its quadrants again. The knife comes down, and the knife is now cutting the bag out. the first bag. The operator's going to pull it out. And that bag is now ready to be finished for distribution. So after we finished folding or scoring, cutting, now we folded the bag, added grommets, and here is the final product. You can see the scores, the bag, the brass grommets, and down here is the personalization. So Stephanie, trick or treat, smell my ink, give me something good to print. Watching the video and stay tuned for future episodes.